Every music producer is different. They all have their own sound. They have their own methods of how they work with artists. They have their own taste in music. They have different genres that they specialize in producing. I specialize in doing pop music, indie pop music, synth pop, a lot of 80s influence on my stuff, a lot of funk as well, some soul. But you know, that's not to say that I would never work on trap or R&B or country or something like that. But if I were to work on it, I will approach it in my way because that's my production style. So this isn't like some other type of product where you can go to a grocery store and buy this thing, or you can go to that grocery store and buy the same thing, and it's the same product at each location. This is art, guys. We're going to have our own taste. So working with a music producer is an artistic choice that is going to impact how your song sounds, because it's also a reflection of the art coming from that producer or that audio engineer.